Maximizing profits, crypto investment strategies. Welcome to Business with Joe. Today, we're diving deep into the captivating world of cryptocurrency investment. If you're eager to explore the potential of digital currencies and learn how to make money in the crypto market, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll discuss key investment tips and strategies to help you thrive in the cryptocurrency space. Grab a notepad, because we've got a lot to cover. Part 1: Understanding cryptocurrency. Before we dive into investment strategies, let's understand what cryptocurrency is. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security. It operates on a decentralized technology called blockchain, which ensures transparency and security of transactions. Part 2: Ways to make money with cryptocurrency. Now, let's explore how you can make money with cryptocurrency. 1. Buy and hold, HODL. This strategy involves buying a cryptocurrency and holding it for the long term, anticipating its value will increase over time. It's a passive approach that can yield significant returns. 2. Trading. Active trading involves buying and selling cryptocurrencies based on short-term price fluctuations. It requires technical and fundamental analysis and can be highly profitable but also risky. 3. Staking. Some cryptocurrencies offer staking rewards for holding and validating transactions. Staking can provide a steady source of income. 4. Yield farming. DeFi, decentralized finance. Platforms offer opportunities to earn interest or rewards by providing liquidity or lending your cryptocurrencies. 5. Mining. While Bitcoin mining might be out of reach for most, you can mine other cryptocurrencies using your computer's processing power to earn rewards. Part 3: Investment strategies. Here are some investment strategies to consider. 1. Diversification. Diversify your investments across different cryptocurrencies to spread risk. Focus on well-established and promising projects. 2. Research. Thoroughly research the cryptocurrencies you're interested in. Understand their technology, use cases, and the team behind them. 3. Dollar cost averaging, DCA. Invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the cryptocurrency's price. DCA helps reduce the impact of price volatility. 4. Secure your investments. Use hardware wallets or reputable software wallets to store your cryptocurrency securely. Enable two-factor authentication on your accounts. 5. Risk management. Set a budget for your investments and only invest what you can afford to lose. Crypto markets can be highly volatile. 6. Long-term vision. Consider adopting a long-term investment approach. While day trading can be profitable, holding onto your investments for the long term can yield substantial gains. 7. Stay informed. Regularly follow cryptocurrency news and updates to stay ahead of trends and market sentiment. And there you have it. These tips and strategies can help you navigate the complex world of cryptocurrency investments. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, remember that risk management and knowledge are your best allies. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into the ever-evolving crypto landscape. Thanks for watching, and here's to your success as a cryptocurrency investor.